Hey, how you doing? It's Chopper here. Have you ever been hiking on a multiple day trip or an overnight trip and it starts raining on you and the only thing you want to do is set that tent up but you don't want it to get wet? Well, I have the answer for you. The first thing you want to do is find a level area, because the last thing you want is to have the water roll down into your tent once you have it set up. I'm using a Big Agnes Copper Spur 2 tent, but you can use any double wall tent with this method. Take your footprint and stake it to the ground. I'm going to leave this video at real time so you see exactly how long it takes me to put the tent up when it's raining. Feel free to fast forward through each section if you like. Next, grab your tent poles. The nice thing about the Big Agnes tents is the tent poles are color coordinated to the tent, the footprint, and the rainfly. Take your poles and stick them in the grommets. Once you're finished setting up the poles, go ahead and take out your rainfly, but don't forget to put your tent back in the bag so you don't get it wet. Start setting up your rainfly. For this particular tent, it comes with clips, and again, they're color coordinated, so I know exactly where to clip them. This part could have gone a little bit smoother for me, but I encourage you, go ahead and try to set your tent up in different types of weather. Set it up in the rain, set it up at night, set it up in regular weather, and if it snows where you're at, try setting up in the snow, because the more you practice, the more efficient you get setting your tent up. Who cares if your neighbors look at you like you're crazy? Once you have the rainfly set up, go ahead and stake out your vestibules. That'll give you more room to set up your tent while you're inside. Alright, we're inside the tent and we're ready to set it up. Whoops, maybe not quite yet. If it's raining hard, go ahead and close your vestibule up so you don't get anything wet. And go ahead and start taking your tent out. Don't forget to dry your footprint before you put your tent down. You can use a ShamWow, a sweat rag, or even a buff if you have one. Once you're inside the tent, find your four corners and set your grommets up into the tent poles. Now start clipping your tent to the tent poles. One thing I've noticed after doing this is it's easier to start away from you and work your way towards you, as you'll see in the video. And that's it. You successfully set your tent up in the rain. I think it took me just over 11 minutes to do this whole process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.